Hello all my family and friends, welcome to another episode. Today we are going to do a tribute to the small little bit of Irish heritage that I have. We're going to celebrate St. Patrick's Day by doing a Irish soda muffin. So let's get to it. Okay, we're starting off with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To the flour I'm adding 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, we're mixing this all up together, and then we're going to cut in 1/4 cup of butter. Splattered it all over me, so I have about 1/2 cup, so I'm going to take 1/4 cup here. Needs to be kind of chilled, and we're going to cut it in with using a pastry cutter. Now we'll need to do this until it becomes like coarse like cornmeal. So we'll mix this up. Okay, we've got that kind of mixed in, the cold butter mixed in with the dry ingredients. I'm taking 1 large egg, going to kind of beat it up a little bit, and then I'm going to put it into 1 cup of buttermilk. Okay, and then we'll combine them together and put it into the dry ingredients. Okay. All right, let's get this mixed up, and then we're going to take it. Once it's all combined together, I have sprayed muffin pan, and we're going to take and put spoonful of the dough into the greased muffin pans. I have my oven preheating at 375. As you can see, it's a wet dough. Okay, now I'm going to take the spoonful and put in it. It should make about 12 muffins. Okay, I've got the muffin pan filled up. It's a little fuller than what I thought it would be, but I probably should have put it in a little bit more in another pan, but that's all right. I'm going to put them in the oven that's preheated at 375 and bake it for about 25 minutes. Okay, here is the Irish soda muffins. I cooked them instead of 25 minutes, I did them for about 23 minutes, and they look pretty good. You need to let them sit about 5 minutes or so. Ooh, they are hot, but this is what they look like. They're good. You can either eat them plain, smother them with butter, dip them in some honey. They're just good little old muffins. So anyway, there is our Irish soda muffins. I hope you'll try them and like them. If you would, subscribe, like, comment. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, God is good all the time.
All the time, God is good.